Let's learn about the Follow Me tool in this video. The way this tool actually works is that it helps you to extrude a face along a certain path in SketchUp. Let's see how we can use the Follow Me tool to make a donut shape. In order to make one, let's quickly make a circle with a radius of 5 meters. Then delete the face inside the circle. Let's create one more circle on this line, but in the green face. In order to do so, hit the left arrow key. And after that, click on the line, type in 1 meter, and then just hit the enter key. Now make sure to select the line along which you want to extrude. After that, select the Follow Me tool from here, and then just click on the face. And there we have it. The next thing which we are going to learn is how to create a sanitary pipe system by using the Follow Me tool. In order to make one, let's just draw a series of lines. After that, let's make a circle from the center of the line. But before selecting the center point, hit the left arrow key to bring the circle in the green axis, and then select the center point to make the circle. Reverse the faces after creating the circle. Let's just offset this, and then delete the middle face. Pre-select all these lines, then activate the Follow Me tool, and after activating, click on the face, and there we have it. Let's create a pipe system in the blue axis. Make a quick circle on the face, and then let's just make some lines from the center point of the circle. After that, let's offset this, delete the middle face, select all these lines, activate the Follow Me tool, and then just click on the face. One last thing which we are going to learn is how to draw a Culvert box system. First, let's draw a series of lines. Then create the rectangle in the green axis. Offset it. Pre-select all these lines. Activate the Follow Me tool, and then just click on the face.